just got your Sonos Ace or you're thinking of getting it, it's fuss-free, easy to use, and everything you want in a pair of headphones. If you want to know about its unique features and sound quality, click on this video. In this video, I'll be explaining how to get started on your Sonos Ace. In the box, you'll find your Sonos Ace headphones, a USB-C charging cable, a 3.5mm to USB-C audio cable, a travel case, and your quick start guide. Before your first use, charge the headphones using the USB-C cable. A 3-minute charge gives you 3 hours of playback, and a full charge takes about 3 hours for up to 30 hours of listening. To power on, press and hold the power button until the LED light flashes. You hear a tone, and that means the headphones are on and ready to pair. To pair, go to your phone's Bluetooth settings and tap Sonos Ace. You can also open the Sonos app to connect, adjust settings, and check battery life. Sonos Ace supports multipoint Bluetooth, so you can switch between devices without repairing. Perfect for jumping from listening to music on your phone and having a business call on your laptop. #GoBoss. Let's walk through the buttons and controls of the Sonos Ace. This is the power button where you can also access your Bluetooth pairing. The status light shows connection and battery status. A flashing light means pairing mode is on. The USB-C port is for charging or wired listening with the included cable. The content key is your main control button. Press once to play or pause. Press twice to skip. Press 3 times to go back. Press to answer or end calls. Press this button to toggle between ANC and Aware mode. And finally, to adjust the volume, simply slide your finger up or down the content key. Hold to activate Sound Swap when paired with the Sonos Arc Ultra. Instantly swap sound from the TV to your headphones. Great for late night movies. The memory foam cushions are ultra soft and breathable, designed for long listening sessions. And guess what? They're magnetic. That's everything you need to know to get started with your Sonos Ace. Premium sound, smart features, all-day comfort.